When scientists looked at the images, they were surprised to see that the far side of the moon was completely different from the near side. This disparity was so great that no one expected it at all. Just 3 weeks earlier, steel metal hands were found. In total, 16 pairs of these hands were discovered. There was a time when space was a vast, endless mystery to mankind, but technological ingenuity ushered in a new era of exploration. The James Webb Telescope theory not only covers the shape of the moon, but also raises questions about why one side should be so different from the other, unless there is something strange going on. A revolutionary invention allows us to delve deeper into the cosmos, revealing what lurks in the darkness of space. Although we thought we knew the moon completely, we now realize that there is still much to explore, especially on its far side, shrouded in secrecy, but not for long. As we explored, we made the discovery of a huge structure on the dark side of the moon, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, which has revolutionized our study of space and our understanding of the cosmos. Among its many achievements are the revelation of thousands of previously unseen galaxies, as well as direct images of exoplanets that shed light on what exists beyond our solar system. The James Webb Space Telescope has provided answers to a number of questions. It is not just another tool, but one of the most significant ever created in human history. If the James Webb Space Telescope can improve our ability for understanding of galaxies and the solar system on such a massive scale, then it should be able to do even more for our celestial companion, the moon. Therefore, exploring the dark side of the moon should be an equally feasible task. But why do we call it the dark side of the moon dark? Contrary to what you might think, it is not because of the lack of light, but because of its mysterious and unknown nature, an enigma yet to be solved. Although we see the same lunar landscape every night, it is important to understand that this is only because one side of the moon is always facing the Earth, allowing us to see only one side of it. This phenomenon is a result of the moon's synchronized rotation, which means that it always presents the same face towards us as it orbits the Earth. Gravitational forces over millions of years have caused the synchronized rotation, aligning its rotation period with its orbital period. However, this does not mean that the other side of the moon, the dark side, is completely deprived of sunlight. In fact, it received the same amount of light as the illuminated side. Despite this, exploration of the far side of the moon presents unique challenges. The moon's considerable mass presents a challenge for direct communication, as radio waves from Earth cannot pass through it as they do through the Earth's atmosphere. The absence of an atmosphere on the moon acts as an obstacle to unrestricted exploration and the ability to conduct real-time missions. This challenge has led to a time when perseverance in space exploration is crucial. Nations such as the United States of America and China are racing to uncover the secrets the moon holds, resulting in new discoveries and research breakthroughs. For example, China's Change-4 mission, which landed on the dark side of the moon in 2019, discovered an unknown material that scientists believe could be part of a lunar mantle, providing valuable information about the moon's internal composition and its formation. However, some conspiracy theorists suggest that these findings could indicate the presence of extraterrestrial beings or hidden structures on the moon. In addition, mysterious lunar swirls have been observed on the dark surface, which scientists believe are formed by the interaction of the lunar magnetic field with the solar wind. However, these swirls are only found on one side of the moon, leaving the dark side with a mysterious appearance. Recently, the Chinese U-22 rover transmitted an intriguing image of an enigmatic structure on the lunar surface. A cube-like structure was seen on the horizon, and it was dubbed the mysterious hut. This generated speculation as to whether it was equipment debris or a part of something extraterrestrial. The debate reached its peak until U-22 transmission provided clarity. The mysterious hut was in fact a sizable rock, nicknamed the Jade Rabbit because of its striking resemblance. This revelation put an end to extraterrestrial theories and speculation about human presence in the past. In addition, translucent glass spheres were discovered on the far side, fueling more theories of extraterrestrial activity. Although discoveries of this type are not new on the Moon, these examples have distinctive characteristics. For example, the glass spheres discovered are noticeably larger than previous ones, with a light brown color and translucent nature that had intrigue to their composition. Could they be works of nature or other entities? Also, during the Apollo 10 mission in 1969, astronauts Eugene Cernan and Yang Yang heard a strange humming sound while flying around the dark side of the Moon. Although NASA attributed it to radio interference, there are theories suggesting that this could be an indication of extraterrestrial activity. Since the dark side of the Moon is blocked from radio signals from Earth, if extraterrestrial life is present there, it could explain the mysterious phenomena observed. Although it is claimed that there are signals that our technology cannot detect, claims of strange structures on the lunar surface are largely devoid of hard evidence. Nevertheless, these claims continue to fuel speculation about what might be hidden on the Moon's shadow side. Among these phenomena are the crystal formations and the enigmatic humming sound, raising the question of whether there is a darker reality behind these lunar secrets. In addition, there are other mysteries surrounding the Moon, including transient lunar phenomena, TLP, which are unusual flashes or glows of light that appear unpredictably on its surface. Although several theories have been proposed to explain TLPs, none have been conclusive. Some suggest that they could be the result of meteorite impacts, while others speculate about the possibility of volcanic activity hidden beneath the lunar surface. If these speculations turned out to be true, they could radically change our understanding of the Moon and its geological history. Of course, having implications that transcend the scientific realm and would give us a new perspective on our natural satellite. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more content like this one. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.